Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about how to get top N results in SQL and in DAX. So let's write one query. We need to get top 10 products order by sales. Select static from products P inner join sales on s dot product key is equal to p dot product key, and here we need p dot product name and s dot sales amount. So we need to get a total sale for each product. So we have to write here one column, total underscore sales is equal to sum and s dot sales amount. And now we need this p dot product name in group by. So let me execute, and here you can see all the products and their corresponding total sales. So we need to create temporary view. So with v underscore, for example, raw as select static from the newly created view v underscore raw, and the column is product name and total sales. And now we have to write one keyword here, top 10, and group and order by total sales, and let me execute it. And we can write order by descending order, and here you can see we are getting these products, and these are the top 10 products by their total sales. And so we need to get the same result in DAX. So let's go to the DAX studio, and here we have to write same evaluate, and we need one function that's called TopN. TopN needs a couple of parameters. The first one is the n value, then the table, and the order by expression. So first of all, we have to write here 10, and then we need to provide here one table, and the table we need to provide here, we need the same table as we have seen here. We need product column and the total sales. So what we can do is here we can use, there are many ways. So we can use again, like we can use summarize return a table, and we have to provide here the first column will be products table, and we need the column is like product name, products, and product name. And then we need the aggregated column, total sales. This is sales amount, and now we need to close it. So this is The first parameter is the n value, and the second is one table that contain product and total sales. So the third is order by parameter, that is total sales, the newly created column here under summarize. And now we need to close it and click run. Here you can see we are getting 10 rows, and we need to use one order by clause, order by total sales column, and this is the complete DAX expression. So we just need to click run, and order by descending. So now we need to click run, and here you can see we are getting mountain by 46, 42, and it's a this number starting with 1373 and 1363, and the same 1373 and 1363, and so this is the same order that what we have achieved in the SQL. That's how we can achieve the top N results in DAX.